Question 21, last question. Sketch the graph of f of x showing the coordinates of the turning points and the coordinates of any intercepts with the coordinate axes. Right, so firstly let's get the turning points, so we need to complete the square. Well, to complete the square, I'm going to take a factor of -1 out to make it positive. Now I'm going to complete the square. So I need to take away 3 over 2 squared is 9 over 4. That's still all in brackets with the negative. Now, to get our turning point, I'm going to just keep my bracket being negative, and this can become plus 29 over 4. So we now get our turning point. Our turning point is minus 3 over 2 and 29 over 4. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to find where it crosses the x-axis. So I'm going to put it equal to 0. Now I'm going to solve it. So I get take away 29 over 4 from both sides. Now, because they're both negative, I can multiply through by -1, which makes, actually I'm going to do that in one step. So this becomes positive, and I'm going to square root it. And actually I don't need the bracket. So now I've got x is equal to -3 plus or minus, I suppose I should have the plus and the minus there already, the square root of 29. Because this is already over 2, square root this, so it becomes over 2, and then I can write it all out over 2. So I've now got where it crosses the x-axis, and I know that is the point of where it's going to cross the y-axis. So, set of coordinates, it is going to be, it's a negative x squared, so it is going to be that shape. This point here is -3 over 2, so 1.5 x or -1.5 x, and 29 over 4, which is 7.25. It's going to cross at +5. Then it is going to be a point here and a point here. So let's actually draw it. It's more like that actually, that's the point there. So this one here is -3 minus 29 over 2, and this point here is -3 plus root 29 over 2. Just be warned, on the mark scheme, when your teacher sends out the mark scheme, it's actually coming up as a +3. The mark scheme is wrong. This is the correct answer. Okay, so it's -3 plus square root 29 over 2, and then -3 minus the square root 29 over 2.